Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add your logo to Shopify. Now just follow these simple steps I'm going to mention and then you should be able to add your logo successfully to Shopify. The first step is to access your Shopify admin. So log into your Shopify admin panel. Then the next thing you do is navigate to the theme settings by clicking on online store, then select themes. Next, select customize next to the active theme. And then you're going to, in the theme settings, you're going to look for the logo section. This should be under header or a similar heading. Next, you're going to select an image. So click on select image or upload to choose your logo file from your computer. Next, select the logo file you want to use. It's usually in PNG or JPG format. Next, you can adjust the size and position. Some themes allow you to adjust the size and position of your logo within the header. Next, click on save to apply the changes. It's as simple as that, just 5 simple steps. I repeat, access your Shopify admin, navigate to the theme settings, locate logo settings, upload your logo and save your changes. As simple as that. Now for you to get the best results, always use the right file tab. PNG files with transparent backgrounds work best for most logos. And also you need to use a high resolution image, but keep the file size small to ensure fast loading times. And also you need to use the same logo across all your branding materials like social media, business cards, so for you to be able to maintain consistency. And then always test on different devices. View your store on different devices, desktop, mobile, tablet, to ensure your logo displays correctly on all screens. By following these steps, you can easily add your logo to your Shopify store and enhance its professional appearance. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.